Diversity to today's project. We're going to be fixing a vacuum hose in my 2001 Dodge Neon. It broke in half, but I was able to find a suction vacuum that was not working, and I got a vacuum hose out of it instead of buying one. So they took care of that problem. That's why I'm showing this. It was easy project to find a way to fix this issue, but I was able to cut a piece of vacuum hose out of that little suction machine, and this is going to do the job. So I'm standing by to Diversity 2 how to fix a vacuum leak in your vehicle or this 2001 Dodge Neon. This is how I was able to fix it. I'm just going to share it. Stand by. Diversity 2 here. We have a loose or broken vacuum hose that's connected from here at the bottom. I'm going to pull this little tube off. So it snaps from here. Get it off. Try to snap it and loosen the elbow. Just fell down. The hose that's connected to the bottom that goes inside and connects to the control suction knob. So we'll go inside and see that we can fix it. But it's coming through the firewall next to the heater hoses here. It's going through that same area where the heater hose is. The little vacuum tube is running through that area. It looks just like this hose here. This I got off of a suction shampooer. It wasn't any good, so I took the hose from a shampooer that was thrown out. The hose seemed like the same size, so I didn't have to pay for anything on that part. So, but inside the vehicle here, I already got some of this loose. Gonna have to pop the cover off. Your knobs came off with it. Should have took them off first. And you may have to take your dashboard off to see where it's connected, but it's just connected from the back of here. I got a few screws out. Get the other two out here. It's ready to jump out at me. I want to move this. Air funnel. But the black hose here, this knob, let me find it out here. The knob that lets your air, let me get a picture. The knob that goes here. So the black vacuum line here, this one is the one that's broken or disconnected. It looks like it's... So most of this stuff just snaps off once you get the screws out. Okay, I got my dashboard off. I had to remove the panels that were on the side here. The two moldings on the left and right side. And the panel had two screws in the middle, in the center, and there's one on each side. and that pretty much just slid right out. The rest of it kind of snapped down. So now we're going to remove this piece here. Snaps into place. Should just slide right out. Get a grip here. That came right up. And now I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to take the bottom panel here, kind of slide that into place. Screw it out. Get all this stuff out the way. I can see I got more light under my dash now, so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to have to rerun this hose through the firewall and get this reconnected to this black line here and back on an engine compartment to the bottom of this tube, and that should take care of that problem. So now I just need to make sure the hole is big enough in the firewall to slide my new suction hose through. Okay, we're under the dash here, so I need to find out where my heater hose is coming through here, and I have some idea. I can see right up in this corner this hose. A vacuum hose where I was trying to mend it before. See where it's coming through, so we're just gonna manage. My light falling. To slide that back through that area. So let's see if we can reconnect this. Okay, this is where it broke off. Right here. So I need to reconnect that. I'll take that off and insert my new hose and see how I'm going to do that. And I can't videotape and do it at the same time, so I'll have to fix it and show you what I did. This little piece here, where it broke off, is going to fit perfect inside this little tubing that I got off of a old shampooer. I disassembled it. Yeah, this is going to slide right. This hole is like just right. So stick it inside of there and slide it down in there as far as I can get it. That's not going to come loose. Like this, just a perfect fit. It's going to get a nice vacuum without any air leaking. That is really snug. So I'm going to run this through back under my dash, and there's an opening at the bottom through my dash where I can connect it from the bottom. There's an opening under here. I don't know if I'm getting this. Back this up. It's opening right under there, so we're gonna just rewire it through here. Not wire, but run it through. But just to make that more tighter, I'm gonna take some tape here. Some tuck tape, nice and sticky. Just wrap that. And we should not have no issues with that coming loose. We got it halfway, we're halfway there. Okay. Okay, I had to take another hose and stick it from the bottom until I saw it sticking up through here, and I tied a piece of tape to it, and I was able to pull this other one through that I needed. But this one I just needed to for something to tie to just to pull it through. Just going to take that off. We finally got it through. Just going to pull the rest of the way. Okay, we got it threaded through. Just going to make sure it's not blocking anything. Pull all the rest of the way through there. Everything's working good. Cover back here. My air duct. Not what it needs to do. I can't see if it's on there. I have to go outside and look through the windshield. I can see. Let me see through the side here. Okay. That's where it needs to be. Start putting stuff back together. I'm missing some screws. Gotta find the screws. I screw down my dashboard. Get all my knots in place. Make sure they go to the. And I'm gonna take a little insert. Maneuver that over. Take my needle nose pliers. Probably take a heat gun and heat this up, but I'm not close to that. Let's try this again. Okay, we're getting there.